Hey yo, it's your friend D, and as you can see, I still have the kissing booth set up. I couldn't bring myself to put it away for this video, so it's going to be our background. And I decided to add my tandem bike with some flowers in the basket. I just thought it needed a little extra to take up some of the space around it, but I am in love with this little booth, so I'm going to keep it on my desk as long as I can. About a week ago, I posted that my Walmart had all of the Rainbow High fashion packs in. And at the time, I didn't get any because I had other things in my cart that I wanted, but I did go back and get one. So I chose the one with the roller skates. Out of all of the fashion packs, I really like this one the most. And I do want the pajamas. I know that one fits a Barbie because my Froggy Stuff reviewed it. And I also want the pink dress. And I saw Adult Doll Collector review that one on her channel, and it also fits a Barbie. So those two I'll definitely go and check out. But this one, I'm going to see how it looks on the dolls today. And I was lucky enough to find two Rainbow High dolls at my local thrift store. And they are two dolls that I really wanted when they were first released a few years ago. This is Ruby and Malene. I think I'm pronouncing her name correct. And I love this doll. This was the doll that I really wanted years ago. She's part of the Divas. So let's get these dolls out of the packaging and see what we have. So here's Ruby straight out of the packaging, and I didn't want to fix her up too much. I wanted to show you guys exactly how she came. So her clothes are not pulled all the way up. I don't know what's going on with that. But she has her shirt, her overalls, and her snow boots. And I know this is, I don't think it's called Winter Break, but she has several other pieces to this outfit that are missing. So but for the price I got her for, I'm okay with it. The pack was marked $8, but it was half off day, so I got it for 4. So that means that I paid $2 a piece for these dolls. And she has her hat and it's still stitched in place. But her hair is really soft. It looked worse in the packaging, but it's not too matted. Her curls, yeah, they're still there. So I should be able to brush this out pretty easily. So I fixed her overalls and yeah, they're in really good condition. And her boots are in good condition also. And I checked her joints already. They're all really good. And I checked both of her knees and they bend okay. So I'm happy with her. Her face is clean. I'm still going to wipe her down after I get finished filming just to give her a really good clean, but there's not any markings on her that I can see right now. But a very, very pretty doll. And I did brush her hair a little bit. And I left it in the big ringlets because I didn't want to do too much separating of her hair. So here's the other doll, and I'm just going to call her Malene because that's what her name looks like to me. If you know how to pronounce her name correctly, please tell me in the comments. But as you can see, she's seen better days. And I really, really wanted this doll when I first started getting into Rainbow High. I kind of got into them a little late. So she was already completely sold out in stores by the time I started looking at these. So I'm going to see if I can clean her up. You can see there is some smudging of something on her face and something in her hair. I'm thinking maybe that is pink nail polish. And this is not original to the doll, so I will be throwing this ponytail holder away. She does have her coat, her fur coat, and it has some pink on it, so hopefully I can get that off. And she has on her longer dress. This doll did come in a larger pack, and I'll put a picture on the screen of that pack. So she's missing quite a few pieces. She's missing her shoes, and it looks like her nails were painted on her feet. So I'm going to see if I can get her cleaned up. I'm just going to wipe her down, see if I can get some of these smudges off and see if I can revive her hair. I'm just going to wash it with some shampoo and some conditioner and see if that helps. And if that doesn't, I'll try something else. But I'll be right back. Quick note, guys. I'm going to detangle her hair first. I took that band off, and I'm afraid if I wash her hair in its current state, it will just get more matted. So I'm going to try and detangle her first before I wash her. So wish me luck. Here she is all clean. I did get all but one little smudge above her eyebrow cleaned off. And I got the majority of the pink out of her hair. And I do think that was pink nail polish. But her hair came out pretty good. There is a little bit of shedding, but I can deal with that. I'm not going to do a hot water rinse on her hair because I think it would straighten it out too much for me. And I do want to keep some of her curls. And there is, like I said, a little bit of the pink left that I have to go and take out. But after that, I'm going to let her hair dry and I'll show you what she looks like. So here she is, and I actually like her hair. There is still some frizz to it, but for now, I'm going to leave it. I decided not to do the hot water rinse. I watched a few other YouTubers show how they did theirs, and I didn't want her to have straight hair because that seems to be what's going to happen if you do that. So I did one little section in the back, and let me see if I can find it right here. And it did pretty much straighten the hair, and I wanted her to retain some of the wave to it and a little bit of the curl at the end. So I'm going to leave it like this for now. Now that we have the dolls cleaned up, let's try on the fashion pack. I was about to open this and I saw the back of the box. It's really pretty. So this is the outfit that we're going to get. And at the bottom, there's some illustrations showing the other outfits. And I guess you open it on the back because I see that this is perforated. So yeah, I think you open it from the back. This section comes out, and I don't know if it's supposed to be a bookmark or what, but I'm going to keep this. I think it's pretty. I wanted to show you guys really quickly that when you get these out, there are plastic stays on these, so be careful. Don't just yank them out of the packaging. And for the socks, you might be able to see the little holes there. They were held into the packaging with plastic stays, and there's some on the back. But these two in the front were holding it in the package, and I almost just ripped them out. So just be careful if you get this fashion pack. And here she is in an outfit. I absolutely love this. This is so cute. So you get yellow headphones, and they have RH for Rainbow High. You get a multicolored shirt, pink, yellow, a little bit of orange here at the bottom, and some purple and blue. So it's like an ombre. And the sleeves have patches at the elbow. This side has a purple star, and this side has a pink heart. And you do get a backpack. I don't think it, oh, it opens. It opens. Yay. So you get a backpack. It's pink with some blue details on it. The shorts are blue and pink, and it is a terry cloth material. And you get some knee-high socks, and I'm really loving these socks, guys. I don't know why they're socks, but I think these are so cute. At the top, they have purple and pink stripes, and you get roller skates. They're blue with a rainbow on the side, and the bottom is almost a peachy orange color, and they are tri skates. So you only have 3 wheels on them, 2 in the front, 1 in the back, and I don't think they roll. No, they do not roll. And you have the brake in the front. And I was able to get the shirt, shorts, backpack, and the socks on a Barbie. I think the backpack is a pretty good size for her. The shirt, as long as you don't raise her arms, it fits pretty good, but it kind of comes up a little bit if you raise her arms up too far. The shorts fit her pretty good. They might be a little too snug on a curvy Barbie. And the socks were also a really good fit for the Barbie. So let me know what you think about this Rainbow High Fashion pack. I really like this one. And I just realized she's dressed for summer, she's dressed for winter. But let me know what you think about this one. And have you looked at any of the other ones? And my friends, that's all I have for you. If you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.